Marktech desktop model. Specification: laser type 20W/30W/50W. Laser power 175*175 mm/150*150 mm. Device marking area 200*200 m/250*250 mm. Laser source radius/max. Laser head sino-falvo with auto. Laser repetition frequency 20 kHz 80 kHz. Laser wavelength 1064 mm. Laser marking speed 7,000 meters per second. Minimum line width 0.01 mm. Minimum character 0.15 mm. Laser module life 1000000. Cooling mode IN build air cooling. Power input 220V/50 Hz, single phase. Laser marking software SCAD Professional/Marktech marking software. Graphic format BMP, JPG, GIF, PNG, DXF. System operation environment Windows XP 7 with 32-bit, Windows 8 and Windows 10.